Months old. Today is November, what is it? 3rd? 4th. Because it's one day before her mom and dad met 2 years ago. Boom!
We need another one. I have to go in this angle because...
Okay. Boom! Okay, that's good. Then we can put it on the vlog if it's short.